In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove limitations from a PayPal account. If your PayPal account has been limited, one of the most common reasons is that the platform needs to confirm your identity. This is a standard security measure, and in many cases the issue can be resolved by submitting a valid identification document directly through your account settings. I'm going to walk you through that process in a simple and clear way. To begin, log into your PayPal account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon which opens your account settings. Go ahead and click that icon. This section is where you can manage important account details, including verification and identity information. Once you're in the settings area, look for the option that allows you to verify your account by adding an ID. PayPal may request this when it needs additional confirmation that the account belongs to you. This step is important because it helps restore normal account functionality and can also improve the overall security of your profile. When you reach the verification section, you'll need to choose and provide an official government-issued ID. The type of ID you can use may depend on the country or region you're in. In many cases, accepted documents include a driver's license, a passport, or another official identification document issued by the government. The key is to make sure the document is valid, clear, and up to date. Next, add the requested information and upload your ID. As you do this, make sure the image is easy to read and that all important details are visible. A blurry photo, cropped edges, or poor lighting can sometimes delay the review process, so it's worth taking an extra moment to check the quality before submitting. If you're using your phone to upload the document, try placing it on a flat surface with good lighting for the clearest result. After you upload the ID, submit it for review, and that's it. Once PayPal receives your document, they can review the information and continue the verification process. Depending on their system and your region, the review may take some time, so be patient while they process it. That's how to remove limitations from a PayPal account by verifying your identity with an official ID. If you follow these steps carefully and upload a clear document, you'll give yourself the best chance of getting the limitation resolved as smoothly as possible.